d'avancer.
Ok, og bruk hjelm og så vernebriller. Så the capacity here is to shift. That's actually just because the circumstances will change. That could be. As well.
Is this system to other ships or is it going to be a one-off?
I think for Yara it will be one-off.
Ouais, je crois qu'ils vont commencer en décembre.